Howdy everybody. It is a gloomy day in January and I'm in the house because, you know, we're still doing COVID quarantine. What is this? Month 9, month 10, whatever. You guys know the drill. And I know I am so late, like so late, like probably like a good year and a half late. But today I just had an inkling and I decided that I want to do some Euphoria makeup. I was going back and looking at my old videos this morning. If you haven't watched my old videos, you really should. They are informative but also hilarious. And I realized I haven't done makeup on this channel in a while. I did my little Thanksgiving look and we had so much fun together. Don't get me wrong, I loved it, but I want to do like makeup. Like, kind of the reason I started doing this channel is because I wanted to put makeup on that I wouldn't wear anywhere else, and I miss doing that. I want to do like crazy weird makeup that I'm not gonna wear out to dinner, I'm not gonna wear to the mall. So I'm not like recreating a look from Euphoria. I just want, like, I found these sparkles and I went and I just found like some of my palettes that have colors in them. Of course, you know, James Charles, he has like every color in here. And then this is the Morphe Dare to Create palette. This is kind of an underrated palette in my opinion, especially for like fall and winter vibes. But basically I wanted to do like a baby blue, like kind of like big editorial eye, but places like literally don't make baby blue shadow, or maybe they do, but I don't have any. And my sparkles are like turquoise, so I think I'm gonna do more of like a turquoisey type vibe, which I've already kind of done on this channel before, so don't go look at that one, look at this one. But let's just see how it goes. All right, first things first, I'm just gonna do my face. I'm just gonna do it like super quick, just kind of like slap a base on, because like I want the main thing to be like the eyeball region. But I'm kind of giving like Miss Trudgebull right now and I need to not. So I'm just gonna do my face routine. I'll kind of just like show you the products as I go and then just do it. I'm just gonna put the whole thing in fast forward with some music. I'm not gonna talk or anything, so let's go. As you can tell, already an improvement. I feel so snatched. I feel so snatched today. Okay, I kind of have some blemishes over here. I don't even know why I'm bringing that to your attention, but it's bothering me while I was like doing my makeup, because what am I stressed about? What am I not cleaning off of my face. I mean, I guess maybe maskne, but like I don't go out in public, so I don't wear a mask that often. Like, I guess I'm stressed about global doom, but let's stick to makeup. So, okay, I want to do blue as mentioned. I don't work with cool tones enough, and I have a secret longing for them. As you can see by my shirt, I love a cool moment. I think that my friends were just talking about this the other day. I think I have kind of like a neutral skin tone. Like sometimes I think that I am the pinkest human who ever walked out of the earth. And then sometimes like my hand right now looks a little yellow, but then my fingers look pink. Like, I don't know. So anyway, I just think that I'm neutral. And I think I can rock a cool tone like nobody's business. And I bet you can too. So let's just kind of see where the day takes us. I'm scared. Like, I don't know what to do. Okay, so I want blue, and we have blue. What should we start with? I think this one. I like this. Yep, that one. Wait, you want to know something crazy? I don't know if I brought any eyeshadow brushes in here. Okay, never mind, I have one. And don't judge me for like my brushes or lack thereof. I use like one brush for everything, and me like 2 years ago would be disgusted by that. Like, she'd be like, oh my god, that already has a little bit of brown on it from a week ago. How are you gonna put blue on it? Guess what, girl? It blends out. It's fine. It's fine. You're not gonna be on the cover of Vogue anytime soon, so let's just do this shit. You know what? Let me do an eye, and then I'll come back to you and we'll do the other eye together. I think that'll be more successful. Okay, I'm kind of scared. This is like gonna go terribly because I have you guys on my back camera, and so I can't see what you see. So like I could be entirely out of frame, but just bear with me. So as you can see, I got a little something going on. Wait, let me check to make sure this is recording. Okay, yes, we're recording. So anyway, so as you can see, I did this eye. I think it looks kind of good. There were definitely some scary moments along the way, but I think it turned out all right. So let's see if we can get the same thing going on this little mama. So first things first, we're gonna go in with some blue. We're gonna use the James Charles palette. Can you see this? Okay, here we go. So we're down in like the bottom of the James Charles palette. You're gonna mix these two together. I know they don't look that different on camera, but this one's like a little bit more of a greeny blue, and this one's a little bit more of a purpley blue. And we're gonna mix those two together to kind of get the tone that we want. And then we're just gonna, well, you'll see. We're gonna put it like all in our crease and outer corner and such. And as you can see from this eye, it's really blown out. You know, I took it pretty much almost to my hairline. So you don't have to be afraid with this one. Nothing's precise. It's okay to be messy. Let's just get to it. Okay, the rest, I've decided just the way I have my camera set up, I can't keep starting and stopping it. So the rest of this video, I'm just going to kind of like speed it up and slow it down as needed, and we'll do a voiceover. So keep on watching. Let's get this blue bread. So as you can see here, we're just going to keep going in and building up that blue and blending as we go. That's going to be a big theme here, is that you want to just keep blending and blending, especially when you're working with a big color like this. So next we're going to go in and cut the crease. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and a flat brush. And it's going to be kind of a messy cut crease. It's not going to be, you know, perfect, not super precise. We don't need it super stark white. Now that we have the concealer on, we're going to set it with a little bit of white eyeshadow. Once again, don't stress out about this too much. And then we're just going to kind of fade that into the blue, and we're going to highlight with this really pretty shimmery turquoise. We're going to do that in the inner corner and right along the crease. We're not going to cover the whole lid with this. We're just going to do the border of the crease and leave the lid blank so we can get those rhinestones on there. Here I'm darkening up right above that iridescent blue to create some more contrast and depth in the eye right there. And we're just going to take a darker blue, stick that in there and blend it out. Now we're going to do the bottom liner. I'm going to be using a teal stick liner for this, and we're going to go on the waterline and we're going to go below. Get a little double duty in there. Next, we're going to blend it out with some dark blue eyeshadow, make it really grungy and smudgy on the bottom. And now we're getting ready to do our wing. So we're going to mix together these two navy blue colors, one matte, one shimmery. We're going to go with the matte first and really draw out the base of our wing. And once we have it filled in, we'll top with the shimmer. Even though you can't really see the glitter, it's going to add depth. Now for the fun part, we're going to get into those rhinestones. So we're going to be using the two smallest sizes I have in the pack. And I'm going to put 2 medium ones and 2 teensy ones to follow the wing, getting smaller as we go out. For the lid, we're going to be using clear crystals, and as you can see, I had a little bit of trouble positioning them. If you have tweezers, that would definitely be welcome during this section, but I did not, so I just used my fingers and fumbled around endlessly. Finishing off with some mascara. I don't know why, but I think it's very peaceful to watch other people put mascara on. So there you have it. There's our finished look. Okay, party people, let's do what needs to be done to get the rest of this face up to speed, because the sun goes down at like 4 o'clock. Like, and we're using natural light, so let's pick up the pace. Okay, next up we have eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows like a different way. I'm gonna try to, at least, because Euphoria like style, you know, they're all like wispy and like crazy looking. Like the hairs are like going everywhere. So I'm gonna like try to do that, because I normally go for like a more manicured. I think I look a little bit cray-cray. Ooh. Maybe I look good. Okay. Let's put more blush on. I feel like I need more blush. I feel like I also just need a bitchier face. Like, I'm circular. Okay, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill like highlighting palette. This is like the lighter version. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Mesmerized, which is kind of like a pinky one, and I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna layer that on top of my blush. Ooh, oh, okay. Okay, I think this is getting somewhere. Okay, my skin looks much better. Okay, we just needed a little bit of shine. Okay, I'm just gonna mix like all the colors together and highlight the entire rest of my face. Let's just keep going and going. Okay, and then I'm excited. This, I don't know if our girls would do this, but I'm gonna do it because I love this Fenty gloss. I got it for Christmas last year in the little 4-pack. This is called Cheeky, and it's like a orangey, salmony. It has gold glitter in it, and I just think it would look so cool with like the blue eyes, and just give you like that really campy, like over the top look. Like blue eyes and orange gloss, like complementary colors. Who? Like, if we were really trying to make this like work or wearable, we would probably do like nude on the lips, but we don't have time for that. And we're just gonna make the lips really big and juicy. Oh my god, this smells like watermelons. Do I look like a clown? Okay, do I look good? The exposure on my camera is whack. And by camera, I mean iPhone 8. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me change my outfit and change my confidence, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as it turns out, I don't have any clothes that would be approved on the set of Euphoria, which is kind of surprising, but also kind of not. So I just threw on a hoodie because who doesn't love like a little hoodie moment? Like, maybe I'm like catching a bus to run away from home. Maybe I'm like incognito because I'm gonna go meet up with somebody's man. Like, these are Euphoria activities, and I feel like they all must have their fair share of hoodies. So here we are. The end of this video really turned into a scavenger hunt of me trying to find the best lighting in my house. The answer is nowhere. I'm sitting in front of my bed. So to end this chaotic video, I will give you one last beautiful look at this chaotic makeup. Alrighty. I hope to see you all again soon, and if you made it all the way through this video, you're a real one. Bye.